Alright, what is going on, guys? Spiteful's back again, coming at you with some summons. And we're not going to really go too deep on this banner. We'll do the free multis and the discount multis, and then that's pretty much what we're going to do, just because I really only want Ichigo, honestly. And like, I actually wanted a whale, but since they lowered the individual rates of each of these characters, it's actually kind of sad. Let me see if they actually raised them, because it might have been a glitch. Like, for those that are unaware, we went through something similar with one of the not step ups, but we went through something similar when they were given more characters. Yeah, no, so they didn't increase the rates. Cacao Society back in the day had, I think, 10 to 12 characters in it. I think it was 2018, and they actually increased the rates of specifically the banner to 0.67 instead of 0.55. I'm pretty sure that's how it went, but without further ado, let's just get right into it. Please, Klab, please give me something. I mean, I guess I like 2%. All right, step 2, and this will pretty much be it. We got a 5, but 25% chance. Yes, let's go. All right. Probably the one that I could use the least, but ayo, it's a banner. I will gladly take that. And with that, we move on to the individual. So I guess, I mean, this was definitely a W, because it was what, 350 orbs for 2 multis. So I mean, I'll take that. I'm just gonna wait to see if we get a 2-in-1. This is actually the soonest I've ever gotten a banner in a long time. Well, maybe besides the Soifon, but Soifon, like Christmas Soifon, I got her from the ticket, but she was like the worst character of 2019. Like, I'd even argue she's worse than Aizen and or Hime combined, bro. Like, if you add all the disappointment that is that character, it's pretty bad. All right, that's what's up. All right, cool. So we got Kenpachi, and I mean, I guess that's that. Anyways, I'm gonna leave it at that. You know, this guys grind on, catch up, stay blessed. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick video. It really is a quick video. Normally I would go really ham, but like, being real with you, this banner, the rates are so low. Like, some people are saying it's like, quit being a bitch. It's still a 6% banner. It's just like, the thing is, you say it's still a 6% banner, but when you make it harder to pull a banner, and all these filler characters that are in this filler pool have been rehashed and thrown in our faces over and over and over and over again, just because you put 2 pieces of grass on a piece of shit and then give it to me as a present doesn't change the fact that it's a piece of shit. You feel me?